Welcome back. Here is how to use PiggyVest to save towards buying a car. Log in into your PiggyVest account and click on savings at the bottom of the screen. So select target savings on your home screen and tap on the plus sign. So when you tap into the plus sign, you create a personal target. So name your target, let's say car fund, for example. Car fund. So after naming it, you select the transport or vehicle. We have car or vehicle category here. So you input the overall amount or your budget for the car as your target amount. So after then, you set your savings frequency. You choose whether you want to save daily, weekly, monthly, or manually. So enter the amount to save by cycle. Select your start date and set the end date for when you want to buy the car. Pick your preferred funding source. Review the setup details and click on create target. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more quick money guides.